she had inboxed me from a different Facebook. I'm like, this bitch is crazy. Like,
bitch, don't make me put my wig in a rubber band. Slap a bitch down with the fuck shit. Y'all hoes better tighten up. Tighten up. Huh? Y'all hoes.
Murray's sister and we got into an argument. So I told her, like, yeah, you act funny, da-da-da-da. Like, I was just saying how I felt. Like, and then, like, I had left and he had left or whatever. Some shit went down, so, you know, we left. The friend felt the need to come clean about everything. She had inboxed me from a different Facebook. I'm like, this bitch is crazy. Like, what do you like? She inboxed me in another post. I mean, on another profile. I'm like, how many profiles do this bitch got? Like, something's wrong with her. So mind you, we was friends on Facebook, and she would post stuff. I'm like, is she talking about me? You know, because I would ask some questions and then there would be statuses subliminally thrown to me, I felt. The whole time she's supposed to be fucking with somebody else nigga, and she was talking about somebody else bitch. The whole time I felt like she was talking about me. She probably was talking about me, she probably wasn't, but in my head she was talking about me because we was going through it. So you throwing subliminals on the internet, you talking about me. I never really got into the subliminal thing. Like, that's not me, still not me. She had wrote me from another messenger, which was weird as fuck, and was like, since you find everything so funny, like, they got mad because I laughed at everything. Like, everything, like, I still laugh, I laugh at everything. They got mad at me because all I did was laugh at shit, and I never took shit serious because I never really cared. Like, that just goes to show I don't care. So she was like, since you find everything so funny, I was fucking your nigga on Grant Street. We vibe. He's like your brother, and like I can't never get rid of you. And she started saying I deleted his number out her phone. Girl, I never deleted his number out your phone. I can't give a fuck. Like, I never cared. Like, you were the neighbor. You was going to see him anyway, whether I was at work or not. You was going to see him. Like, you sound dumb. So she was like her brother, she would never do it, or she fucked him. Like, you did or you didn't. You didn't or you did. You did or you didn't. Like, what you do? So I'm like, girl, you just so confused. One minute you fucked him, next minute you didn't. One minute that's your brother, next minute that's your fuck buddy. So after that, I had moved out or whatever. I went to my grandma's house to go live with my grandma, and I was living my best life. But we were still in a relationship.
Stupid. Anyway,
but we were having major problems because of that. Like, a lot of infidelity. Like, he cheated a lot, I feel. He did a lot of sneaky shit. Talking to other females, inboxing them, talking to them, texting them, that's cheating. So he cheated a lot. I got cheated on a lot. I was stupid. I was young. I was dumb. Mind you, I was in this relationship for 8 years.
Stupid. Anyway,
that shit took a lot of energy out of me. Fast forward, they move into a new house, and it's like 2018. Am I getting the times right? Yeah, it's the beginning of 2018. We wasn't together. So it's like January, you know, let's fast forward from January. It's like April. April, we get back together. He asked me to move in back with him. And mind you, his older sister is not there. And Braids is not around because Braids is mad at him. But something to that nature. So Murray's sister would come over and Braids would be with her. And they knew I was there. Of course they knew I was there. They would try to do a little smart shit to try to scare me, intimidate me. But every time they came around, I just stayed upstairs in the room because, like, I didn't want to be around that negative energy. I didn't even want to be around them. I didn't even want to see these bitches' faces. Okay? I didn't want to see their faces. One day they said that they was going to smack. Somebody said that they was going to jump me. Then they were saying how immature I was and I was childish. But y'all want to jump me. Y'all want to smack the shit out of me when y'all see me. And it's on sight. And then when y'all see me, it's just y'all sitting at the table. And I'm walking past like this. And I'm walking past and I'm just like, mind my business. Get me some drink. Purposely. Because that's how fucking immature I was at the time. Immature ways. And so did these grown ass bitches. So I was walking by. And I'm just like, mad. And then me and his mom is downstairs joking. And then they're really mad because they want me to go upstairs back into my ex room or whatever. Like, it's just like a bunch of mad. They just was mad for no reason. They just was mad at me for no reason. Let's skip to August. Now, it's my ex's birthday. And who would have known? Who would have known that my presence would shake? Who would have known that my presence would cause an uproar? Like, me? I cause an uproar. I caused an uproar. They was mad. They was mad as shit I was there. I quite frankly didn't care because it was my nigga. That's my nigga. That's my nigga. What's that? Be smart, but then again, I wasn't trying to be smart. He wanted me to spend the night, so I was supposed to spend the night. Mind you, I was not living there at the time. Everybody giving me attitude except for his mom. Like, she invited all her friends' kids to his party. Like, where is his friends? Like, she threw a party for herself for him. That's what it was. The vibes. I didn't care because I was there for him, not for them. Fuck them. Like, I already felt the energy, so I knew what it was. At this point, I'm texting my mom, my cousins, and I'm like, this is the address. This is the location that I'm at. I'm dropping locations, and I'm like, okay, these bitches about to jump me. Because, like, I felt so many weird vibes. Stick it out because he begged me to stay, but I'm ready to dip. I'm ready to go. Like, at this point, I was ready to be the fuck out. Later on that night, everybody leave. We upstairs laying in his bed watching TV. And I just see his little sister make an Instagram post about me. And she just like, the bitch ruined the party. My brother's girlfriend, strippers and everything was supposed to come. So I'm like, strippers was supposed to come. How y'all having strippers come to a party? And it's kids everywhere.
Stupid. Anyway,
I'm just like, so I just put all my shit in the bag. I'm like, literally just like putting shit in the bag. I'm like, let me fucking dip. Like, I'm done. I'm good. I don't want no fucking parts. Like, I'm just so over this nigga. And I'm just so over this nigga and his fucking negative ass family. Like, just a bunch of just bitter bitches. Like, I'm just over it. Just jealous, bitter bitches. I'm over it. So I just pack everything in my bag and I just get up. He like, where you going? I said, I'm fucking leaving. Like, that's how mad. That's how mad I was. I was like, I'm fucking leaving. All my cousins, and I had to be like, order me an Uber. They like, what's wrong? I'm like, just order me an Uber. They his little sister made a post about me, talking about me on Instagram. Get me the fuck off this block. I'm outside snapping. He like, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm like, your fucking sister wrote a post about me on Instagram. I'm tired of you, feel me? They fucking toxic. Fuck you, fuck you. And I'm back and forth. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Fuck you. Like, they just negative energy. Like, they don't give a fuck. Like, and you don't stop them. You don't stop them. Which he never did. Like, he never stopped these people there. Like, they used to make me feel like I was crazy. And I knew something was wrong with me. But I knew I was not just thinking shit, just thinking. I knew what was going on and I was right. Like, what you talking about? I'm like, so I pull up my phone and I'm like, this. She talking about me on Instagram. She forgot to talk about me on Instagram. And he like, what? I'm like, and I let her read it. And I snatched my phone and the Uber was coming to the street. And I got it and I pulled off. And I sent him a nice long text. And I just was telling him like how like I just couldn't do it no more. Like, I was done. It's a dub. I'm out. Like, I'm good. Be over it. I can't let nobody drain me from my energy anymore. Dealing with that drained me. It wasn't until we broke up and we had a long ass talk and he was like, yeah, I did it. And then I was drunk when he told me, so I was like, oh, you bitch, I hate you. I should come to your house and beat you the fuck up. I should spit on you. I fucking hate you. I can never touch you again. And just like dealing with that just made me like him telling me like, yeah, it actually happened. That was like the worst shit ever. And of course they go online and say, oh, that was the worst body I ever caught. That shit was like loose. It was like a hot dog in a hallway. And I'm pretty sure it was because the bitch was a whore anyway. But nevertheless, so moral of the story of this story is don't let nobody interrupt your peace, please. Because it makes you go insane. And love makes you do crazy things. So be careful who you love. Like, be careful for who you love, because Some people are not really here to really love you. They're here to use you. They're here to drain you from your energy. They're here to make you feel bad as a person. And they're here to just break you down because they're jealous. Some people really don't mean no good intentions for you. Some people really mean bad and they try to make it look good. So protect your energy. And this was my story time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to notify you when I upload. And don't forget to watch my last 2 videos that I uploaded. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like. Thank you.